How to fix the 0x80073712 update error in Windows. This evening, while installing the KB506387 update on Windows 11, I ran into the 0x80073712 error. For now, I've just hit retry, hoping it's a one-time glitch. If that doesn't work, we'll dive into some advanced troubleshooting steps together. After giving Windows about 20 minutes to try installing the update, it failed several times. So now, it's time to move on to the advanced troubleshooting methods I mentioned earlier. Press Windows plus S to open Search, type Command Prompt, click on Run as Administrator, and then Yes in the prompt. In the CMD, you have to run these 4 DISM commands. Let's start with the first one. Copy it, then paste it into the command prompt, and it will auto-execute. Now, it's going to take some time, depending on the level of corruption in your PC. Also, after these 4, run the SFC scan using this command. This will basically fix issues with the system files and components that are triggering the Windows update error. I have added these commands in the video's description. All the commands are now executed. It took me about 15 minutes to run the 4 DISM commands and the SFC scan. At the end of the SFC scan, I got the message, Windows Resource Protection found corrupt files and successfully repaired them. The issue is most likely resolved by now. Let's go back to the Windows Update settings and click on Retry. It's going to take another 10 to 15 minutes. The Windows Update is now successfully downloaded and installed without throwing any errors. In my experience, most instances of the error are caused by issues with the system's software components, which the DISM and SFC scans can effectively repair. In case this didn't work for you, perform an in-place upgrade. It's akin to reinstalling Windows, but you don't lose the stored files or data. The video tutorial for an in-place upgrade should be appearing somewhere around here. Click on it and check out the steps. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you master Windows, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Windows Explained for more tips, tricks, and tutorials. Hit the bell icon so you never miss a Windows shortcut or fix. See you in the next one.